folks, it's me again. In a previous video, you'll have seen me machine off one side of the bar handle. Prior to that one, you'll see me have screwed up that one when I'm learning. So anyway, I figured it out, and in this video you're going to watch, or you might watch me speed all the way through it, whatever. You might not even watch it, it's up to you. But in this video, you're going to see me machine off this so I can put this little nub on the end. And basically, what I learned in the first video and the second video is now going to take place in the third video, which speeded the whole thing up. So yeah, stay tuned and keep watching. Hello folks, it's me again. I ran out of memory, so I delete the videos. There's like 600 videos on this freaking phone. So stay tuned, and we'll be right back to machine the other side. Let's see. That's definitely nut size. Let's keep going. Let's do 5 more thousandths of an inch here. Curls in there. In there. I'm almost certain if I had a much better tool here, it'd probably be better. Still no go. Oh, we're almost there. We're like right on the cusp of 1 more thousandth of an inch here, and we will should do it. This should be about perfect. Yep, there we go. See? Maybe a little sanding. This one's actually a lot better. So, like this. Test it again, clean it off. Come on. It could be this thing that's not going on too well, but you know what? I'll try sanding it down some more. Using like 220 grit sandpaper because I don't want it to take off too much. This side, I don't know, it'd be shitty in here. It might be too tight of a fit. You think? Alright, let me chop another 1,000th of an inch off here. Let's do it. Nice and slow. Notice nice and slow gets like, there we go. Still a bit rough on the edges here. Like the inside of this is screwed. But we will just pretend. There we go. That's good. There's enough to peen off there, and now here's the, let's see this, the old one right here. Should almost fit on there too. Yeah, the old one almost fits. There's the old one too. The old rusty one fits perfect. So, how am I gonna get this like that? Having this latest goddamn idea. I probably should have rounded off the edges, but I have 3 feet of this to play with. So we did it, and we didn't waste 2 of the bars. So I'll bring the camera back over there and I'll show you what I'm doing. Turn this off.